everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the hippopotamus and tell a story. Sharp Painting. Once upon a time, little hippopotamus very happy. He wants to dance and have fun. He jumped up and down on the dirt floor. The little snake, who was a tasty snake, said, "You are drawing dirt on me. I want to sleep. Go and dance somewhere else." The little hippo went and looked for another place. The little hippopotamus is very happy and wants to dance. That's why he ate and went into the river. The little bird, who was a beautiful bird, said, "You are making me wet. I want to hunt for breakfast. Go dance somewhere else." The little hippo went and looked for another place. He went to the ground and beat his feet on the ground. Little horse, who was a beautiful horse, said, "Where are you? You were catching me. I am bathing my children. Go dance somewhere else." The little hippo went and looked for another place. The donkey said, "Why are you dancing so much? Why don't you go and do something useful?" The little hippo was sad. He doesn't want to dance anymore. He starts crying. The tears of the little hippopotamus are falling out of his eyes and falling on the ground. The little insect saved the tears of the little hippopotamus, went to feed of the hippopotamus and began to dance. Insect and hippopotamus start dancing. All the animals come to see them. Everyone happy when they see the hippopotamus and the insect. Now all the animals start dancing. Everyone is happy. Today our story is over. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and the stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.